Welcome to our channel Bytron Health and Technology. We know that for diabetic patients, it is very important to monitor their sugar levels regularly. A continuous glucose monitoring system is very useful for this purpose. In this video, first, a continuous glucose monitoring system and its functioning is explained. And later, we try to understand, is it really helpful for non-diabetic or healthy people? Continuous glucose monitoring is wearable technology that helps to monitor blood sugar levels 24/7. Insulin is a hormone that helps our body regulate blood sugar levels. As we know that the body of a person with type 1 diabetes doesn't produce enough insulin. Whereas, in type 2 diabetes, body makes insulin but doesn't use it efficiently. Conventionally, many diabetic people use fingerstick blood check and glucose monitor to check their blood sugar level regularly. However, fingerstick blood check can only measure blood glucose only a specific moment in a given time. Tracking the blood glucose levels helps to understand how much insulin our body needs and when. Sometimes, higher and lower blood sugar levels can be fatal. There are several things which affect blood sugar levels, such as food, sports, physical activities, etc. So, if a person uses continuous glucose monitoring technology instead of fingerstick blood check, it is easy to monitor all the events of body glucose variations occurred 24/7. Let's understand the functioning of the continuous glucose monitoring system. A continuous glucose monitoring system has three main parts. First part is a tiny sensor which is inserted under your belly or arm skin, with a sticky patch that helps to keep it in the same position. CGM sensors evaluate the glucose level in the fluid between the cells, that is quite similar to the glucose level in the blood. Every sensor takes glucose levels every 5 minutes, all day and night. These sensors are disposable and need to be replaced when needed. The second part of the continuous glucose monitor is a transmitter, which is attached inside the belly patch with sensor. This transmitter sends the information related to glucose level wirelessly to the third part, a smartphone, and on an insulin pump. Smartphone has software which shows the real-time glucose levels of the body, and this information can be sent to the doctor. So, in this way, both the patient and doctor are continuously aware of glucose levels and can relate the major variations to the related activities at those instants. Let's try to understand the usefulness of the continuous glucose monitoring to the healthy people. We know that nowadays people are becoming more health conscious. There are plenty of wearable devices in the market which help them to monitor sleeping pattern, heart rate, blood pressure, etc. We can witness many healthy people who use different health monitoring devices, just for their overall well-being. Similarly, usefulness of a continuous glucose monitoring for healthy people might help to diagnose the prediabetes. Prediabetes is the condition when blood glucose levels are slightly high but not enough to be known as diabetes. For healthy people, annual health checkup is recommended to check their glucose levels, but in case of prediabetes, continuous glucose monitoring might diagnose it earlier than the conventional routine checkup. As per the article published on June 11, 2021, Harvard Medical School, this could be particularly helpful for people at higher risk for diabetes due to family history or other factors, and people taking medicines that can raise blood sugar. But till date, there is no proven study which can support this fact. Let's see if this technology can be helpful for non-diabetic people in future. Thanks for watching. Please keep watching for more such videos.